Diversity 2, wrapping up the khaki sport project, or the sport pants, khaki pants project. I don't know why I did that crazy wording, but these pants are no different than your normal khaki pants. All I did was made it more sporty, and I put a stripe down the center. When I sewed my pockets on, I ended up cutting down the center and attaching this long stripe along the pants leg. But this is pretty much the same routine when you're making these khaki pants with pockets, putting them where you want them and making them big or small according what your needs are. But there's some heavy duty material, but the material was really cheap at Joann's Fabrics. I used 3 yards, and I didn't use it all on the pants. I made some attachments also, but this is the khaki pants with at least 6 set of pockets on these pants. Attachments with this one, I made hoods before, but this hood matches. I used the material off of my khaki pants. This hood would attach to my matching khaki utility vest that I would make with this, and this hood would attach to the back of that vest for shade or staying out the rain. But I took a bed sheet for the lining. It's a gray lining inside, but this was simply attached at the bottom to the back of the utility vest. Utility vest is just the upper piece, part of the khaki pants, where you attach sunglasses, tools, maybe drywall stud finder. It had different little pockets here, and I have some hooks here. Now these, I would make these in different colors to match the khaki pants depending on the color of the pants. But when I made my black set of khaki pants, this was the utility vest that I would wear with those pants. But as you can see, the back is open. It just has stripes across the back to hold it together. Wearing this in the summertime, it helps to dissipate heat from your back, and very comfortable to wear, and very diverse. You can your cell phone, your sunglasses, whatever you can think of that's small that you keep with you all the time would go in these pockets or along these attachments here. And this wasn't so much as doing a complete utility vest and pants, but to show the process of how it is done. But once I'm through folding and sewing, it will look just like this one or something similar to the black utility khaki vest here. Heavy duty pockets. I double stitch, restitch to make sure everything was tight and durable. And I used the same bed sheet for a lining for the back of the. I'm gonna open this up. I would make it this wide on purpose so I can fold it to make it thick. Let's flip it over here. And this is just the lining on the back. I just sewed them together, flipped it inside out, and then it came out like that. Made it thick on purpose. But the Diversity 2, that wraps up my how to make the khaki sport set there. And these are some cutout bed sheet pieces that I would use for to line up my back.